Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're using your iPhone for calls, recording audio, or using voice activated apps, having your microphone enabled is essential. Here is a concise guide to ensure your microphone is turned on and ready to use. First, tap the setting app from your home screen. Next, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Next, in Privacy and Security, tap on Microphone. You will see a list of apps that have requested access to your microphone. Ensure the switch next to the app you want to use microphone for is turned on. Next, make sure Do Not Disturb mode is off. You can check this by swapping down from the upper right corner of the screen to open the control center and ensuring the moon icon is not highlighted. Also make sure your iPhone is not on silent mode. The switch on the left side of your iPhone should be pushed away from the screen, no orange visible. You should also check for microphone settings in specific apps. Some apps like voice recording app or video conference apps may have their own microphone setting. Open the app and navigate to its setting to ensure the microphone is enabled. Next, restarting your iPhone can also help. Press and hold the power button and either of the volume button until the slider appears. Slide to power off. Then you press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears to turn it on. Another step is to reset all settings. This step will reset all settings to their default, but it won't delete your data. Open the setting app and navigate your way to General. Then you scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then you click on Reset, then reset all settings. And that's it guys. Ensuring your iPhone microphone is turned on and functioning properly includes checking app permissions, ensuring your device isn't in silent or do not disturb, and sometimes adjusting specific app settings. With these steps, you can make sure your microphone is always ready to use for calls, recording, and more. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.